Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm showing you Tanjung Aan beach in Lombok. The baby buffalo welcoming us when we reached to Tanjung Aan. I think this is the best beach I visited in Lombok. Though there are some other beaches that I haven't explored this trip due to time constraint.
Never gonna find me. I'm a
Not so many
renegade.
tourists. I saw maybe a few couple lounging by the beach. Lounges are provided by the small chiringuitos or beach bar along the side of the beach.
I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it
The
burns
sand is
inside
so
me.
fine and white and the water so crystal clear. It is just amazing.
I won't let you down. Yeah, I
The
won't
beach
let
bar
you
owner put
down.
up like simple shack as cover for parking, which is good. So it is not so hot for the motorbike when parked there.
We could have the world to ourselves. Going to a place that's far. Staring at the stars for hours.
These little
Cause
kids
you're
here is waiting for us to give them some money and they say that it is for parking. Only 10,000 rupiah for parking, which is less than $1. So just to make them happy, we give them 20,000 rupiah.
I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it,
We
it
went
burns
up to a
inside me.
formation of square rock on the left side of the beach, so we can see all the ocean from the top. It is really amazing view and so beautiful. People come here to do, of course, the Instagram pictures.
I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay.
So I asked my driver to shoot me slow motion just to give a little bit of drama in the video. Like this. So this beach is definitely a must to visit and to swim in whenever you are in Lombok, Nusa. Thank you for watching guys and see you on my next video. Bye bye.